There are no prizes for guessing what this carmine bee-eater consumes. Its long, slender bill is perfect for plucking bees from the air. But that's just the first step. Before swallowing, it must get rid of the bee's dangerous sting. And it has a simple, if brutal, technique. The sting smashed out. It's now safe to eat. While they're definitely bee specialists, these carmines are quick to adapt to the occasional amuse-bouche. After it rains, insect larvae begin to hatch underwater. Taking a few lessons from their kingfisher cousins, they tweak their hunting tactic. Juicy larvae are just too good a meal to miss.